on the market and you can buy them off me. Pack of 10 for 15 quid, you pay into my PayPal, which is on front of my page. Leave your address and I will get them sent outside delivery. They will be going up very soon in price because delivery is killing me. At the minute, you can get a pack of 10 for 15 quid. This is how good they are. This is an older than this, which I've been drilling porcelain tiles for. These are ceramic. Watch this. Now you can't get better than that for a pack of 10 for 15 quid. Don't let anybody tell you different. Do you know what I mean? And always remember, MJC Kitchens and Bathrooms will not blag you. I do demonstrations day in, day out. In real life, real time, real jobs. No situation too hard. Bitch bash boss. Bathroom worktops, you have to cut them down and then you have to lip them. Which is it's a bit of a pain, do you know what I mean? But, has to be done. Now this is what makes a difference in a bathroom. Yeah. Makes a difference in a bathroom which is good and which is bad. Because if this is not cut neatly and this is not stuck neatly like that, can you see how nice my cut is? Can you see this on this line here? See how beautiful that is? That is what you call a job in town, lads. Job in town. So all I like to do is I like to use this finished edge. See how I've cut it further, yeah? I like to use the finish edge there. Like so. And that finished edge on top, yeah? Then I'm going to chop the bottom off it. So how I'm going to do that is I'm going to use Evo. I'm going to Evo that side, this side, and that lipping. And then we're going to get it on. We're going to get it on. But firstly, what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn this upside down and I'm going to glue that there. So you don't see me glue marks, but I'm going to take this outside first and I'm going to glue it outside. Because never glue inside. 1, you end up getting eye. 2, you can damage. So I've glued it on. This is how I like to do it. See this edge here? Can you see? Can you see it's minute? Do you know what I mean? Minute. Always champ it down. As I'm running my planer, I'm running it on an angle. And what you got to do is you got to feel. Like making love to a worktop, you know what I mean? You know what I mean, ladies? This is what you want, nice, gentle touch. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. Just feel it. See how you don't want to go into the worktop, just on the top of it. See that? That is coming. Perfection at its best. Yeah? Beautiful. And that is how we get a job in town, lads. A job in town. Look at that. Now that, if you can rub your finger on it and not cut it, that means it is to perfection. Always make sure you can rub your finger on it to perfection. It's just beautiful. Just beautiful. That's it. And that is how we roll. Now always remember, a show you all my tricks of the trade. And I do it live. No gimmicks, no camera shows. Only me. Bish Bash Boss, don't forget to like, share and follow. This is vital that whenever you cut, you seal. Yeah? And before you put the sink on, you want to seal that now. So I'm going to use clear, as you can see, because I like, me personally, I like to use just clear. First, we're going to seal this off. And then we're going to use clear. And that way, it will be beautiful. Always make sure it's sealed. Otherwise this, if water, especially if I've got kids, I tell you what, I really went in the shower yesterday and it looked like my bomb bean. I've got a wet room and it looked like my wet room had been bombed. Do you know what I mean? Oh, we like that, don't we, lads? We like that, don't we? Maybe not that big, but we like it. Nice and tight. And then wipe the lubrication off. And now I'm going to seal the top of it before, like this. See that? That is just beautiful. Oh, it's just not when you watch a work of art. When you watch a work of art, and that's it. You look at that, see how tidy that is. That is what you call a job in town. Do you know what I mean? You don't need no fancy gadgets, no fancy gimmicks, no fancy no. That, you will not get better than that. That will not go mouldy. And that will just look beautiful. Don't forget to like, share and follow. And then that is why you always silicone that first. See that? That's just pure beautiful. Because you can never get in after. I do like it. I do like it a lot. It's beautiful. Don't forget to like, share and follow. And there we go. Another beautiful job from MJC Kitchens and Bathrooms. Don't forget to like, share and follow. What I did is, I had a bit of worktop left. So I thought, I'd make some boxing in for the waste pipe around the toilet. And that is what you call that a job in town. Always remember, MJC Kitchens and Bathrooms, you watch it as I go, you watch it as I do, and you watch everything I do, all in one. So if you want a job doing, don't forget to get hold of MJC Kitchens and Bathrooms, the one and only. Bish Bash Bosh. Everybody have a good Tuesday. I like it a lot. Be nice once decorator comes in and finishes it off. Beautiful. Just what you want.